Amoyo, the child womb, to know is to be filled. The word mo means to know, to recognize, and yo means to be filled. When you have eaten to your fill and your stomach is bloated, then oti yo niyen. What then is the meaning of the sweet Oriki, Amoyo? As I have said, it is an Oriki given to a child whose knowing is feeling, a child whose acquaintance shall fill those who meet her. This is an Oriki usually given to a female child because it is a name that alludes to physical beauty. And most of the time, when physical beauty is being praised, we are talking about female children. Amoyo, your beauty is enough to have me filled. Seeing how beautiful you are equates to the satisfaction gotten from eating to one's fill. Amoyo, mímọ̀ ẹ́ ti mú mi yó. But then the word yo can also be used to mean to be inebriated, to be intoxicated, to be high. Therefore, Amoyo can also be another poetic way of saying, I am high on your beauty. Mo ti yó ẹwà rẹ ti mú mi yó bí ẹni mọtí. Wàá ṣeré.